we are bringing a very new and interesting feature for you, that is reminder feature. Let me guide you that what reminder feature is and how it will be helpful to you. Let's go to our transactions module. Now, in transaction module, we have created one of the bell icon, that is the reminder feature. Click on this. So this is our payment and delivery reminder feature. Whenever going forward you will create any purchase document or sales document, a reminder will auto generated here along with the document number. So what does mainly this reminder do? So in the time interval, it sends a notification to the counterparty, or whenever in any of the purchase document or any of the sales document, suppose if you have created a purchase document, so in that scenario, until unless the inward is being created on that particular purchase transaction, the reminder will be sent to the counterparty. Same going around the tax invoice. Once the tax invoice is being generated in the sales transaction, until unless the payment log is done, the reminder will be sent. You can very well go ahead and make the changes in reminder settings as well. Let me show you how. So in reminder settings, we have provided the purchase order and invoice format. You can click on this edit option, and here you can select your requirement. So this is the auto create reminder. Whenever you will create any document, the system will automatically generate a reminder, create a reminder. You can unselect this and manually generate the reminder as well in your document. I will show you how to do that. Now, going forward, the start day and interval. You can get multiple selections here, like 7 days before due date, 3 days before due date, on due date. So exactly at what time you wish to send this reminder. In how much days interval this reminder will be sent? Do you wish to send the reminder every day to the counterparty? Do you wish to send the reminder every 3 days to the counterparty? So this is how you can go ahead and manage this. Click on save. In the same going, it happens in the invoice as well. Now, going back to reminder settings. So this is how the reminder module will work. It will send the email reminder to the counterparty just in case to remind them each and every time about your order or your payment. Let's go to the transaction module back. Now, this is one invoice which I have created. I will show you that how you can go ahead and manually make the reminder, or also you can stop or pause the reminder. Click on this invoice. This will open the invoice. Now, on your right hand side in the very top corner, you will get an option of other actions. Click on this. Here, you will see an option of reminder. Please click on this. So, this is the document reminder. From here, you can pause it, you can delete it. Also, if you have made the reminder setting manual, so whenever you will create a new document, the automated reminder will not be created. You need to come in the other action, and then after you need to click on create reminder and it will be created. So I hope this feature will surely make all the works easier for you around the reminder, and you will like it. Have a good day ahead.